Hello everyone. It's nice to meet you. My name is Michael. I'm head of global business team in AhnLab. First, I would like to introduce AhnLab briefly, the company introductions. So AhnLab is the largest cybersecurity company in Korea. With its 25 industry expertise, it develops cybersecurity software as for endpoint, enterprise endpoint, network security, mobile security, and transactions. And also, AhnLabs deliver security services such as vulnerability assessment, managed security services, and instant response. So even though it started its business with antivirus program, is now today AhnLab is fully equipped to the total comprehensive security solutions and reliable security advisory groups to enterprise and governments. AhnLab is a listed company in Korean exchange and most reliable security partners with more than 35,000 organizations. So in terms of antivirus market share, it covers more than 60%. So AhnLab could be the hidden champion in cybersecurity industry. In recent cyber threats, I think the most important thing is early detection and fast response. I think in order to achieve this goal, I think three technical parameters are needed. First, malware analysis capacity. Second, low latency solutions. Third, integrated analysis from endpoint to the network. In these three parameters, AhnLab have a strong point. First, malware analysis. Malware analysis is AhnLab's core competency. AhnLab started its business with antivirus, and we have more than 30 million sensors in Korea and global markets. And we are running the world-best malware analyst group, and you can find AhnLab's malware analysis accuracy in the third-party testings like A/B test. Second, AhnLab's solution is first priority is low latency and high performance. So Korea is very fast IT infrastructures, and almost every customers and every users doesn't want to wait. So we need to protect IT infrastructures without any delay or drop of services. So AhnLab's DDoS solutions and next generation firewall will be great fit to some service or a very service sensitive market in Mexico. Third, in hacking activities, it's very important link where to happen and where come from. It means endpoint to the network. So we need to analyze all the things from endpoint and network altogether. So AhnLab solution can cover both of them. So it makes customer to easy trace threat from endpoint and network and get a result with very fast time. So these three things, so malware expertise and low latency performance and all-in-one solution is the technical benefit of AhnLab. Why PCCOM Mayorista case? I think it's meant to be. It's meant to be. Actually, we didn't choose PCCOM Mayorista. they choose us. So I'm very happy to I can be your partners of the PCCOM Mayorista. But if you ask me why PCCOM Mayorista, I think I can explain three things. First, technical expertise. I think in this industry, in this cybersecurity industries, technical care is most important because we handling if something happened, we help customer and client to restore their infrastructure. We trace the threat. So it's key to technical skill set to help customers. Second, PCCOM Mayorista have one of the experienced cybersecurity companies. So it has strong channels, strong coverage to the customers. And we need someone to deliver our solutions to the channels and customer and easily with a lot of credit. So I think PCCOM Mayorista can meet our requirement of both of them. But I found the fit. More than that, I found the fit. Fit means is a long-term growth for both parties. I think PCCOM Mayorista is big enough and smart enough to move fast, focused on AhnLab products to penetrate Mexican markets. And AhnLab's products, total packaging, can fulfill their next stage strategy to extend its product category and extend its business and extend its coverage from its customer requirement. So I think this both is fit is the essential for mutual agreement. The first and the most primary goal is of course the customers. We need the customers. We get a customer and we make them happy. And I want customer know how good AhnLab product is. Second, building a strong fundamental. What is fundamental? Meaning is the coverage in terms of technology and channels. So I want very strong infrastructure deliver AhnLab product through the channels to the customers. And I believe the PCCOM Mayorista can build very strong fundamental beyond the Mexican market, meaning North America or South America. If these things going well, I believe within 3 years, I think we can make it double-digit market share in Mexican market. One market, which verticals we trying to penetrate? First, I think price-sensitive market is we need to penetrate and explore first. So it means mid-enterprise or government market. So AhnLab's market position would be the high quality and reasonable price. So I think the mid-market and government would be very sensitive price. So AhnLab product can appeal their requirement in their SI project, big SI project. Second, service sensitive market. As I told you, AhnLab's strength is low latency and high performance and very fast response time. In Korea or globally, we have a very good reference in the manufacturers and display makers, wall-based display makers, world best semiconductor makers. They they're almost all of them, most all of them used AhnLab solutions to protect their manufacturing line against cyber threats. Second, service sensitive market is a service enterprise, meaning a social networking service provider or e-commerce companies. So there's service, web service or mobile service is very critical to their business. So AhnLab DDoS solutions and UTM is very good fit for protecting their infrastructure with low latency performance. So there's two market, price sensitive and service sensitive is the first primary target to penetrate. What is commercial strategy? Okay. Like other Korean products, so great quality and reasonable price, the key for the AhnLab's market positioning. But first of all, I think we need a success story. We need let customer know how good this product is. So Com Mayorista will take some aggressive promotion of AhnLab products to the market. So including 30-day free trial, we will do aggressive promotion in the market to let customer know these products and make great success stories. Then it is easy to push these products to the resellers and channels. Why resellers love handle AhnLab technology? Okay, so because customer will love this product, so they should deliver, handle, and AhnLab's products. I think the resellers always love the product, easy to sell, great profit, and trusted with trusted partners. So I think in these areas, Com Mayorista's role is great, it's huge. So AhnLab's product, as I already told you, is a very reasonable price. So it will do a lot of the margin to the resellers. And it is total packaging, can lower their maintenance cost and delivery cost to the customers. And finally, our co-marketing with Com Mayorista will make some great success story. So it will hit the market, then it's very easy to sell this product. So we can fulfill whole dimensions. So easy to sell and the margin and the credit from the reseller. So I think it's 3 points we can appeal to the resellers, deliver AhnLab product to the customers. In Mexican market, Com Mayorista will be our reliable partners and reliable representative of AhnLab. And the Com Mayorista take care every step to resellers and customers. Meaning they will manage the stocks and they will handle the import and logistics. They will generate sales leads and pre-sales, meaning the sizing and the costing and technical support for implementations and technical support after implementations. And if something happens, meaning hacking activities, they will do the technical service with AhnLab. And also the Com Mayorista will do great partner day, meaning technical and free sales training to resellers quarterly or half a year base. So PCCOM Mayorista a huge role to the strong channels in the Mexican market. I'm really excited to launch AhnLab products in Mexican market with PCCOM Mayorista. I think it's great opportunity for us to explore, introduce AhnLab solution and services to the Mexican market and Mexican customers. And eager to get a feedback from Mexican customers and resellers. I believe PCCOM Mayorista is a perfect partner in this industry, and I think they will take care everything from the promotion and campaign and sales generations and the implementation and training, etc., etc. So I believe this is the very small. It could be very small event, but just it could be the potential big. I think it can be remembered the day the launching AhnLab solutions in the Mexican market. I'm looking forward meeting all of you in the offline in Mexico, and until that, I want every one of you stay healthy and stay happy. Thank you.